Let's do the Carrick band knot half up hairstyle and learn it using my 9-core braids braiding cap. The knot requires thin sections, so I'll be using half of pink on this side and half of yellow on this other side. Yellow is going to go first and I need to make a loop with it. So I'm grabbing yellow, making a loop, making sure the loop goes inwards. This is what I'm going to call my tail, and here, right here, is what I'm going to call my base. The tail is above the base and the loop is going inwards. Next, pink is going to need to poke through yellow's loop. So I'm going to bring pink underneath yellow's loop, and I'm going to use my fingers to bring it through so it pokes through, but we don't pull pink all the way out. This is exactly where we want it, inside yellow's loop, poking out just a little bit. Now the tail is going to finish the knot. I am going to bring pink above yellow's tail, but underneath yellow's base. Now from here, where my two fingers are, we're going to open them and we're going to bring pink's tail into my fingers and pull through to finish the job. Shaping it a little bit better. And here is our Carrick band knot. On my mannequin, here's my yellow. My yellow is going to form my loop facing inwards. Next, I'm going to bring pink behind my loop and I'm going to pull it through using my two fingers. There we are. There's pink's tail. I'm going to have pink's tail travel above yellow's tail but underneath yellow's base and meet my two fingers to pull through and finish the job. And here you have your half up, half down Carrick band knot. And here's what it looks like once you've done it a few times. Please like, comment, and share.